So, dear viewers, this is part 2, important German nouns starting with be in English. Please revise the part 1. The link is given in the description box. Now, let us start. Important German nouns starting with be. Be in English with German sentences along with English meanings and translation part 2. Now singular, plural. Number 1. Das Buch, die Bücher. Das Buch, book, die Bücher, books. Now der Satz, that is German sentence. Wir lesen gern Bücher. The sentence in English, we like to or gladly read books. Here, lesen to read, gern like to or gladly. Now the conjugation of lesen verb. Ich lese, I read. Du liest. Informal, Tom, you read. Er, sie, es, liest. He, she, it, reads. Wir lesen, we read. Ihr lest, you all read. Sie lesen, they read. Grossi lesen. Say, Mr. Gomes, you read. Formal. Number 2, singular, plural. Der Baum, die Bäume. Der Baum, tree. Die Bäume, trees. Now, der Satz, that is the German sentence. Der Baum ist groß. Now, the English translation, the tree is tall. The tree is tall. Here, groß, tall. Now, number 3, singular, plural, die Bitte, die Bitten, request, requests. Now, der Satz, that is the German sentence, ich habe eine Bitte. English, I have a request. Here, ich habe, I have, eine Bitte, a request. Now, die Bitte becomes eine Bitte according to rule of German articles. Now number 4, singular, plural. Die Blume, die Blumen. Flower, flowers. Now der Satz, that is the German sentence. Die Blumen sind farbig. Now English, the flowers are colorful. Here, farbig, colorful, sind are. Number 5, singular, plural. Der Bruder, die Brüder, brother, brothers. Now der Satz, that is the German sentence. Tom ist mein Bruder. Now English, Tom is my brother. Here, der Bruder, mein Bruder. According to rule of German articles, der Bruder becomes mein Bruder. Now, let us revise the conjugation of sein verb. Ich bin, I am. Du bist, you are. Informal, Tom, you are. Er, sie, es ist. He, she, it is. Wir sind, we are. Ihr seid. Tom, John, you all are. Sie sind, they are. Grossi sind, Mr. Gomes, you are. Formal. Now the application, Sie sind, die Blumen sind, they are, that is the flowers are. Er ist, he is, Tom ist. Er, sie, es ist third person singular, sie sind, they are third person plural. So, das ist alles. That's all. Bis gleich. See you soon. Viel Spaß. Have fun. Thank you.